Gel eyebrows, carve eyebrows all over the lid, blend. Shade rouge on the outer end of your crease. Buff out until it's seamless. Eyeshadow claret. Join from the outer end of your eyes. AL Beauty Pigment Primer. Center of our eyelid. AL Beauty Eyeshadow Pigment. Place right on top of that primer. Shadow wing liner. A pair of snatch lashes. Extend the shadow liner. Concealer inner corner. Concealer outer corner. Bridge of nose. Forehead. Cupid's bow. Under cheekbones. Contour jawline. Contour cheekbone but down at the front. Contour forehead. Contour side of nose. And other side. Cream blush to lift cheekbones. Spray your face. Blend contour first. Then blend your blush. Add a few dots of foundation. And blend everywhere together. Set your face with powder. Bake under your contour line. Add some powder blush. Add some highlighter. Fill in eyebrows. Blacken the waterline. Smoke it out lightly. Add mascara. Lip liner. Lipstick. A bit more blush. Dust off the excess powder. Gel your brows up. And you're done.